Welcome to the Anika Rolf Show. I have three special guests and they are Maisie Harris, Molly Going and Callum Hillgrove.
Thanks for inviting me on your show, Anika.
That's why they call me the amazing Anika.
Are you joking? More like the fucking annoying Anika. By the way, audience, this is Molly Going.
Fuck you, Molly.
Don't listen to what that bitch says, Anika, you're amazing.
Thanks, Maisie.
Well, Anika, I love what you done with this place. It will be finished soon.
Fuck off, Callum.
Well, that's the end of the show. Thanks for watching and see you soon. And just to say, Maisie Harris is amazing, but Molly and Callum can fuck off.